Hello Guchies team, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today I share with you how I made this delicious pizza recipe. Guys, trust me, you want to try this. If you want to see how we got it done, come on, let's get right into the video. Thank you and stay tuned. I'm making yeasts. I'm going to show you how I'm about to get it done. In a bowl, just add some warm water. Add some salt to give it a good taste. Add a good amount of yeast depending on the quantity of the dough. I've added 3 spoons. In order to help my yeast so that it will bloom well, I'm going to add a good amount of sugar. Give it a good stir. Cover it and set it aside. Once you see it bubbling, that tells you that it's activating already. To my flour, I have 7 cups of flour right here. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, half spoon of salt. Mix it nicely and then add olive oil, coconut oil, or whatsoever oil of your choice. I'm going to add about 1 cup of coconut oil to this. Mix it in. The coconut oil will give it a lovely flavor. That is what is served. So as you can see, this is the yeast and the sugar and the salt water. You want to go ahead and mix this in. So guys, you want to just go ahead and knead it nicely in the bowl before you add it on the countertop, and then you knead it for about 10 minutes. That way when you get your pizza out from the oven, it's going to be so brownish and so beautiful. So we're going to take it to the countertop now. Guys, now you want to set this dough on the surface and make sure you work it until it is soft and nice. So guys, at this time I'm going to put my dough all together. At this time you want to just wrap it together and make sure it is nicely formed, just like a round. And this is what you want to do with your dough. Put it all together nicely. Add some coconut oil depending on the oil you're using at the time. Add it to your bowl like so. So I'm going to wrap it up with this nylon. This is what I'm using to wrap it up. You can use your napkin if you like. I don't like to use my napkin because it will stick to the napkin. So when it rises up, it's just going to stick to the napkin. I'm going to put it in my microwave and I'll allow it to rise for 1 hour. I'm going to go ahead and make my sauce for my pizza. So here I have some garlic and then I have some rosemary. You can go ahead with cilantro, basil, or whatever herbs of your choice. So this is my paste. I'm going to mix my paste like so and make sure it is well cooked until the sour taste is out. One thing I like to do is to add a little pinch of salt to my paste just to get the sour taste of the tomato paste out of this. So you just want to toast it with a little bit of oil, not too much oil, just a little bit, just to make it look creamy and really nice. I used coconut oil for this recipe all through, so feel free to use olive oil. Just mix. I have some fresh items coming in. My tomatoes, I have some carrots in it, I have some fresh onion, garlic, ginger. It depends on what you like to have in your food. Yeah, I like to have those in my food, and that is why I've gone ahead to add those vegetables. So if I want to eat pizza, I want to eat a healthy pizza. I don't really like pizza. Since I came to America, I don't know, for some reason I do not like pizza anymore. I ate a lot of pizza in Nigeria. Every time my cousin comes back from Canada, she wants us to take her children to somewhere in Ikoyi where they have a pizza spot, and we ate a lot of pizza, and that's made me, you know, lose interest in pizza. The moment I came to America, I was like, no, pizza is not my thing. But you know, everybody in this house like pizza. My husband, the children. Yeah, and most of the time when children comes to my house, I just want to look for something to make them feel good, and pizza for children is everything, you know. So yeah, we are making pizza just to give these ones around here a treat, you know. So this is just what you want to do. I'm going to go in with my fresh items. I'm going to go in right away with my fresh items. I have my crushed pepper. Everything is nicely mixed. I have ginger. Yeah. Mix everything until it is well cooked with that delicious taste. Trust me, your pizza will come out very, very delicious. Yeah. Mix everything to get to know each other. Let them appreciate one another. Let them love on each other, right? Let them kiss themselves and make sure they are in good terms. Ooh, look at that pizza sauce. Isn't this looking beautiful? If you have been watching till this time and you haven't subscribed, please, what are you waiting for? Please join this family. Subscribe to our channel. If you haven't hit on that bell yet, please hit on that like button. Hit on that bell notification so anytime I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified. Can you see how beautiful? Look at that, guys. For your pizza, by the time this gets into your pizza, you are going to be speaking heavenly language. It smells divine here, guys. Guys, I'll add some of my cumin. You can add oregano if you have that. Some garlic powder. Just for heat, guys, I added crushed pepper. Tastes so good. So good. So there's something I like to do. I'm going to give you that tip. It's a secret for my pizza. I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese. This is just to help it come together, like get to bind each other. They're going to love on each other. With this mozzarella cheese, it's going to bind the sauce together. So it's optional. If you like, you can go in with your mozzarella cheese. If you like, you can skip that. But yeah, I'll allow it to melt nicely in here. And yeah, this is it for our sauce. So guys, you can see the mozzarella cheese has melted in. Just mix everything together and set it aside. Let it cool down, because it has to cool down completely before you start adding it to your pizza dough. So our pizza dough is still rising. It's not yet 1 hour. I'm going to set this aside. This is how you want it to look. Can you see? This is the most healthiest pizza. I added all I love to have in my food. I don't like pizza for real, but if I have to eat with them, I have to make it as much healthy as possible. Yeah, it tastes so good. Look at how that pizza sauce is looking, guys. Look at how nice with these green herbs. Guys, see what I'm saying? See what I'm saying, guys? See what I'm saying? This is awesome. This is awesome, guys. At this point, you can cut it into any size. If you want to make it into 4 places, if you want to make it into 1 place, whatever you want to do. It has proven so good. See? Okay. I'm going to add my cornmeal to my pan. I don't want it to stick to my pan. I'm going to spread it out. You're going to see what it's going to look like. Gently, just gently spread it out. Guys, now we're going to add our sauce. Evenly distribute it. We are doing a huge pizza. It's a big pizza. Yeah, my husband will take to work, the children will take to school. They love pizza, so if you prepare your sauce well, you will add everything, but except if you don't have a good sauce. So guys, we're going to be decorating it with some carrots and some mozzarella cheese. Guys, this was so yummylicious. It came out so good, for real. Like, the breading was so delicious. My husband kept eating, and Chidera kept eating, and everybody kept eating. It was just so delicious. Like, you know, sometimes you want to just go through a special way of making some food so that it can be very beautiful for your family to enjoy. Look at how beautiful. Look at that. Oh man, it was good. Please give me a like. Give me a massive like and thumbs up. Look at the crust, guys. Look at this crust. Oh my God. I have enough bread. I like to have enough bread. Like, this is awesome. This is awesome. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.